Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video only. Within the previous video, we have made many series for working with the Python basics. So we have also made some descriptions regarding the basics Python libraries or module which we are using. So this is a continuation of the library description video only. So here in this video, we are going to describe the different libraries like platform and traceback. The first is a platform library. It is going to access to platform specific data like getting the name of the operating system, version of Python we are using, and also it is going to get the details regarding the machine or the system which we are using. So for that, first we are importing the library platform. Then we are making use of the functions in it. First we are getting the OS name. For getting the OS name, we are making use of the dot system function from the platform library, and we are getting to print the operating system. This will print the operating system which we are using like Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. My system is Windows, using Windows operating system. So we are getting the output operating system as Windows. Then we are getting the Python version. For that, we are using the Python version function from platform library, and then we are printing the Python version. So this will you be printing the Python version which you are using. So in my system I'm using 3.9.21 version. So that version is displayed in the output. Then we are getting the mission architecture, that is the system architecture. For that architecture function from platform library is used. Then we are printing the mission architecture by using this command. Then the mission architecture, it will display it like which operating system and what is the bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. So the output, you may notice that our system is utilizing 64-bit and Windows PE. So this is the use of the platform command. So this library you may use that while working with any operating. You may, if you are not having any idea of operating system or Python library which you are using, means at that time you may use this command. Then I'm going to work or going to describe about the traceback library, which is used in extracting, formatting and printing when an Python error trace is found in the Python program. For that, first you have to import the library. So for that we are importing Python traceback, and then we are making use of a definition. Within this definition we are creating example function with try block. So within this try block we are intentionally creating an error function. So for that, if anything divided by 0, it will just cause an 0 division error. So intentionally we are giving that within the try block. And if it is not, means except exception as E, means if it is an error, means you have to print the error occurred. Then we are making a trace use of the traceback function, which is print dot exe. What this function does means it will give the exact thing, what is the error going to occur, in which line this error is going to occur is given by this function. So here if you notice, means by using this function, here it is giving like a trace back in this line, that is 1 divided by 0. This line is going to rise and 0 division error. So this is the use of this traceback function. So if you are not using, means generally we will receive a message like an error message occurred, no, like that we will receive. I think by using the previous PDP, if you are following this series, that is in PDP series, if you see, means I would have made some differentiation, so like that it will occur. But by using this traceback.printesc, this thing is occurring. So this is the use of the traceback function library. So in the next video we will be working with some other basics Python code. Thank you.